Which one? Which one? I don't know which one. The one is go nurse.
You got the first letter.
Is it go go
You
go
got the first letter, which is go.
go there's? Is it correct? Go
The
go
super duper cool.
super duper close.
Yeah.
Is it go ner? Go nurse?
You got the first letter, which is B.
B?
Yeah.
Go beers? Is it correct?
It's Goober.
Cooper! I am correct!
It's Goobers.
Coopers.
You're,
I'm correct?
you're wrong, which is this is Goobers.
Wow, Goobers. I'm correct. I said Goobers. Give me one more. One more. One more YouTuber. I will guess the YouTuber.
Okay. You're not supposed to guess
Give me one YouTuber. Give me. I will guess the YouTuber. You ask me. Faster, faster. Show me the YouTuber. Show me. If I'm correct, give me 1,000. Okay. Englishan na to. Englishan. Bayelsan. Widjelsan. Englishan. Widjelsan.
This is the hardest one.
Hardest one?
Yeah.
Show me which is the YouTuber. Hide and seek. That's it. Is it Bruce?
You got first try.
Oh, thank you. I know the YouTuber. Is it Cruz? I'm lucky.
7 numbers.
I'm lucky because first try I got already. Show me one more. I will guess the YouTuber.
Okay.
Okay. Show me what is her.
Guess this YouTuber.
Which one? Which one?
This.
The one.
Oh.
Inelia? Inelia? No, no.
You got the first one, which is I.
Ibelia? Ibelia?
Close.
So close.
Yeah, you only got one number.
Abelia? Ay. Ibelia? Is it correct? Ibelia?
No, there's a I.
Ibelia? Correct? Ibelia? Ibelia?
You got 3 numbers correct, which is I, N, B, and E.
Wala. Ibelia? Abelia?
Wrong. Is Ibella.
Ibella. Wrong pronunciation.
There's a A. There's a A.
Abelia. That's the correct pronunciation is Ibelia because double L. Okay.
There's no W.
Double L is means Lia. Double L is Lia. Okay, Ibelia. Ibella, not Abella. Give me one more. I will guess the YouTuber. Okay. Which one? Which one? Is it? The YouTuber is Lily Gumdrop. Lily Gumdrop.
You just get the same one.
Lily Gumdrop. Is it correct?
The same one again.
Same one.
I'm serious.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
You're wrong.
Wrong. I don't know. I don't know.
Ah.
Don't know which. Give me answer. Give me answer. Because I don't know already.
Okay. You
Which
start with the letter C.
letter C? Is it? Is it? Is it? Which one? Mika? Or Cash and Nico? Cash and Nico?
Close. You got two.
Chameleon? Is it chameleon?
You want a hint? You want a hint?
Yes, I want him.
Okay. Is cash.
Cash, I'm correct. I tell you, Cash and Nico.
Is this?
Which one? Which one?
Mm.
Which YouTuber? This one? This one? This one?
Yeah, that one.
That is Nico. I'm correct?
You're so close.
Nico Blocks. Is it correct? I'm
You got it first try.
Oh, I'm correct. Nico Blocks. I'm correct? Yay!
Let's take a block.
Oh, give me 1,000 because I'm correct.